Oh God, bird, bird, bird.
Alpha, India, Quebec Tower, number 2, runway 24, follow this Cessna over the threshold.
Number 2, runway 24, and we have the Cessna over the threshold, Alpha, India, Quebec.
Alpha, India, Quebec Tower, left-hand circuit, wind 270 at 5, cleared, touch and go, runway 24.
Clear, touch and go, runway 24, left-hand circuits, Alpha, India, Quebec. This is looking good. This is looking good.
Ground Delta X-ray Echo 1 Bravo, requesting taxi to Jetport.
Golf Delta X-ray Echo ground, taxi Bravo 2 Delta.
Bravo to Delta X-ray Echo.
Close enough. Close. Almost had it. Ugh. Almost. Got to get that flare going. I see you, DXE.
Alpha, India, Quebec Tower, left-hand circuit, wind 280 at 6, clear, touch and go, runway 24.
Clear, touch and go, runway 24, left-hand circuits, Alpha, India, Quebec. Okay. Wow. Didn't have to wait for him.
Echo Papa Tower, just to confirm, you'll be following the India line and next point of landing, Buffalo.
Negative. It'll be we'll be coming through on the India. We just overfly Buffalo, and we'll be heading over to Nanticoke from there, coming back towards you, and we'll be back to Flamborough at the end of the day.
5 Echo Papa Tower, roger. Alpha, India, Quebec Tower, are you able to keep your base turned in tight?
Affirmative, Alpha, India, Quebec.
Alpha, India, Quebec Tower, keep the base turned in tight, wind 250 at 6, clear, touch and go, runway 24.
Keeping it tight, left base, clear, touch and go, runway 24, Alpha, India, Quebec.
Alpha, India, Quebec Tower, make this circuit left hand.
Left-hand circuit, Alpha, India, Quebec. There's the left-hand circuit, ain't it? Ooh. That is a left-hand circuit. I'm going to the left. Okay, okay, not bad. One more. Let's get it. No one's on the ramp right now, but I see some gates set up.
Alpha India, Quebec Tower traffic at your 2 o'clock for 3 miles, eastbound helicopter, 1,300 feet. Start your left crosswind turn when safely able.
Alpha India, Quebec, we're already in the left-hand turn, and we're looking for the helicopter.
Alpha India, Quebec Tower traffic, helicopter traffic will pass behind you, no factor.
Alpha India, Quebec, thank you.
And 125 Echo Papa has traffic in sight.
5 Echo Papa Tower, roger.
Alpha India, Hamilton Tower, Alpha India, Quebec, turning left base 24, full stop.
Alpha India, Quebec Tower, wind 260 at 5, cleared to land runway 24.
Cleared to land runway 24, Alpha India, Quebec. All right. Should have went further down.